Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's session, let us see the examples of shares and dividend. In my last lecture, I have covered all the theory part of shares and dividend in the subject Business Mathematics and Statistics. In that lecture, I have explained you what is shares, types of shares, what is dividend, what is face value and what is market value. You will find the link in the description box. So today we'll see the examples of shares and dividend. So let's see. So the first example is two companies of shares. Okay, two companies have share of 12% at 124 and 16% at 145 rupees. In which of the shares would be the investment be more profitable? Okay, now in this example they have given us there are two companies. Okay, each company, one company is having share of 12% at 124 rupees. Okay, and the second company is having shares of 16% at 145 rupees. Now if the investor, okay, if the investor wants to invest in in two companies, so which investment or which share will give him more profit? Okay, so we have to find that. Okay, now face value means what? The original value of the share. Okay, basically it is 100 rupees, and market value means the shares which are actually brought or sold in the market. Okay, now in this example, this 124 rupees and 145 rupees is market value. Face value of all the shares will be 100 rupees. Okay, so now we have to find that which company's share is more profitable. If we invest either in first company or in second company, which company share will give us more profit? Okay, so now first, what solution for this thing? First, there are two companies. Okay, there are two companies. So first take the first company. Okay, first company. Now in first company, okay, in first company for 124 rupees, okay, first company for 124 rupees, okay, 124 rupees, the return is what? 12%, okay. For first company, the market value of share is what? 124 rupees. On this 124 rupees, the percent is what? 12%, okay. Now second company. Take second company. Second company. So second company, the return is what? 145, and for on this 145 it is 16%. Okay, it is 16%. Now for 124 rupees, okay, for first company we are taking, for 124 rupees we are getting 12%. Okay, then for 100 how much we'll get? So how much return will get? We have to find that. So now solution, see, first write down first company, 124 rupees is the market value, and on this 124 rupees we are getting 12% return. Okay, this 12% is what? Return. Okay, returns. And second company 145 rupees, on 145 rupees we are getting 16% return. Now if we take the face value, okay, of 100, for 124 rupees we are getting 12%, then for 100 how much return will get? Okay, so for 100 rupees, for 100 rupees return will be question mark. Now we have to find for 100 how much. Okay, so 124 is for 12 and then 100 is question mark. Okay, so cross multiply. So 100 into 12 divided by 124. Okay, so 100 into 12 means 100 by 12 and 124 by question mark. So divided, what answer you will get? 100 into 12 divided by 124. So you get 9.60 12.7%. Okay, so now see, for 124 rupees we are getting 12% return, and for 100 rupees we are getting the return of 9.677%. Okay, now for second company we will find. Same way, for second company 145 rupees is on rupees 145 we are getting 16% return. Then for 100 how much? For 100 return will be question mark. Clear? So 145 return is 16. Then for 100 return is question mark. Cross multiply. Then we get 100 by 16 divided by 145. So you get 100 multiplied by 16 divided by 145. You get return 11.03%. Okay, you get 11.03%. Now which investment is more, first company or second company? Which if we invest in first company, how much return will get? 9.67%. Okay, if we invest in second company, how much return we are going to get? 11.03%. So which return is greater? Obviously the second investment, the second company investment or the return is greater. So therefore the second company investment will be more profitable. Okay, why? Because the return we are getting is 11.03%. Okay, so I hope you have understood the first example. Similar example we'll see this in the second example. Please try to understand this. If you have not understood this first example, I hope you will understand the second example at least. Now in the second example is what? Which of the following, okay, which of the following is the better investment? They have given us two investment. Okay, so which of these two investment is a better investment? In which investment we should invest so that we will get the better profit? So first investment is 8%. Okay, 80 rupees. Okay, if we invest 80 rupees we'll get 8%. Okay, second is what? 15% solution. Okay, second is 120 rupees. If we invest 120 rupees, the return will get 15%. Okay, and the face value is what? 100. Now shares face value is always 100 rupees. Now this 80 rupees and 120 rupees is what? The market value of the share. So in the market of 120 rupees, in the market the share is sold at 120 rupees, and on this 120 rupees we are getting 15% return. Then if we invest 80 rupees, the share of the market value of that share is 80 rupees, so we are getting the return 8%. Okay, now for 8%, for 80 rupees we are getting 8% return. Then for 100 how much? Okay, then for 100, okay, for 100 question mark. Okay, so 80 we are getting for 8%, and then 100 question mark. So cross multiply it, then 100 by 8 divided by 80. Okay, so 100 by 8 divided by 80, we get 10% return. Okay, now second we'll find for 120 the return is 15. The return is 15. Then for 100 question mark. Cross multiply. 100 is equals to 100 into 15 divided by 120. So 100 multiply 15 divided by 120. We get 12.5%. Okay, now which investment is greater, 10 or 12.5%? Obviously the second investment, that is what, 12.5% is the greater investment. So the better investment is investment number 2. Why? Because the return is 12.5%. from the better than the first company, because first company is giving us only 10% of profit and this is giving us 12.5% of profit. Okay, so in this way you have to find the investment, better investment. How to find it is very easy. In exam this will come for 5 marks. So please copy down all the example. If you have any doubt, please mention in the chat section. Okay, so I will just repeat once again in short, that if the market value, whatever the number is there, okay, whether it is 180, 120, whatever, and percent is what, 10%, 5%, so on. So on 5%, for 180 rupees the return is 5%. Then how to find the better investment for 100, how much? Okay, so 100 is nothing but the face value of the share, original cost of that share. Okay, so always consider that. For example, for 124 rupees the return is 12%, then for 100 how much, and then cross multiply it and then you will get the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood this example. We'll see in the next lecture. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.